SENNA's Earth Palette has the warmest browns and sumptuous cream colors to create the most dramatic sultry looks. I've prepped Lauren's skin with SENNA Sculpting Eye Cream and Sea Algae Cream. I've primed Lauren's skin with Silky Primer under Slipcover Foundation and Totally Transforming Concealer. I'm going to create a very dramatic sultry look using Eclipse. This is the darkest color in the palette. Very rich, pigmented, deep chocolate color. Always tap the brush off. I want to press it on. Pressing it gives you the deepest, richest payoff. And no dusting on the cheek. I'm going to take the Feather 15 brush and blend that hard edge. Blending, blending, blending is really, really important. Next, I'm taking the 605 brush, again with the Eclipse. Look up at the ceiling, and I'm going to go below and line the lower lash line to create an almond shape to the eye. Now, next what I'm going to use is Spice. I'm using it with the 15 brush. This is our warmer color. And I'm gonna go over the crease. Don't be shy about using these colors. Straight, on, thick, drama, full force, mega payoff. I'm even gonna put a little bit over the lid to blend all the colors together. And next, I am going to be using our Smudger 48 brush. This is a new synthetic brush. Again, with the Spice, look up at the ceiling. I'm gonna go over the lower lash line, over the Eclipse, so it has an edge of warmth coming out of the lower part. Now that we have the Spice warming up the orbital bone, look up, and underneath the eye as well, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. And I'm going to use Veil. It's a matte highlighter. It is such a beautiful creamy color. And I want to use that right under the arch. I'm going to go right above the brow as well to highlight. And I'm going to also, with my baby face brush, I'm going to highlight the cheekbone. Oh, it's so pretty. Next, I'm going to use Spice with our new blush point brush. I'm going to use Spice with a little bit of color glow right on that cheek area. It gives just the right amount of color, not too much. And that's what's really great for a dramatic look. You want the eyes to stand out, not the rest of the makeup. My favorite step, tight lining with Ultra Last black eyeliner. Now to complete this dramatic look, you've got to have lashes. I'm using a very beautiful fluffy lash that has a lot of oomph. All right, now we're finished attaching the lash. And now I'm taking mascara and weaving her own lashes into the fake lash. To finish off the look, I've used Almond Ultra Last lip liner, and the lipstick is our new Palomino Matte Fixation lipstick. And there you have it, another look that you can create from my Earth Pigment Palette.